Camille. Yeah, I want to see your new face expression you've figured out how to make. Just look at it. Wait. Just keep your face like that. Just look at it. Look at that little face. Come here. Just too cute. And we figured out how to make doggy toothpaste. You remember, guys? Yeah. And now, his breath don't stink. Smell like chicken. It smells exactly like chicken. Just like chicken, exactly like chicken, just like chicken. So, yes. Can I have breath don't stink? It's finally so cute. And we got a new flower. Water once a week. Wow. I'm going to show you how fast it gets big. Fire, right there. You see your fire, right there. Fire, you say, right.